So this is a quick video introducing Google Gemini, which is one of our three safe solutions for school at the moment. And it's just a quick whistle stop 10-minute tour of how to get to it and some basic ideas on what you can use it for. So first off, this is one of, like I say, the three schools safe AIs that we can use. So we've got TeachGen, we've got Google Gemini, and we've got Microsoft Copilot. And it's built into the school accounts, and you can even use it within some other applications. Because it's signed in with your school account, like I've said in other videos, we know that the data is safe in where it's stored and where it's going. And importantly as well, we know it's not training the AI. And this is the reason to use this over a personal ChatGPT or Claude or something like that login. It's far safer. So what to try if you've not used it before, try things like getting it to generate a simple picture, changing the reading level of text is really useful, summarizing, tidying up a mess, things like that, like I've said in other videos. So to do it together, what you need to do is you need to go to gemini.google.com. Okay, so gemini.google.com, and you get your chat GBT Claude like type assistants here. And I'll just show you a couple of really basic examples. So I've got some here. So I would usually talk to the AI because that's the main way I would do it, but I'll type it because of the video. So let's say I got this, scribbled these notes down while on the phone. I was a receptionist. Please turn this into an email I can send to his form tutor. So something like that, it can turn scribbled notes into something more formal. It can do this on a much bigger scale. This is only a very basic set of notes, but it's just to give you the idea. There you go. And obviously, if I'd given it more information, it could have done the sign off and the sign off and the introduction the same. But it's cleared. It said that the two things they've asked for is the maths homework and the spare tire from the phone call. Nice and quick. Okay, so then I can click new chat at the top, show you one more. So I'll put use this information to write a school report. So this is, it's too basic. This isn't going to produce a good report, but it's just to show you how quick and easy it is to use. So there's some bullet pointed information about a student, and then it's drafted me a report I could send home to parents. Now, again, very generic style of report, but it's not bad. It's just not necessarily in your style, your school style. So that's where, as I've shown in other videos, the power of an example. If I said this is the style of report we write, that's what I'd like it to look like, it would be much, much better. So that's Google Gemini in a nutshell. I'm going to go into things you can do with it much more detail, but that's opening it and trying a couple of things. If you've not used it before, which I'd be surprised, but you've probably used a LLM of sorts, Claude, ChatGPT, something. They're all very, very similar. But you know, finance could be using it to explain tricky figures to governors. Premises, you could set it up to take a note and a photo as an input and write you a sort of work order. Reception could be using it to do things like I did in that video. So quickly writing up messages in a clear format for the people they're intended to. Again, anything that can save you a little bit of time. And like I've mentioned before, and I'll keep banging on this drum, but your school account is the safe version. So check your name in the bottom left hand corner on Gemini, and be careful what data you put in. And like I said before, make sure you read the output. It's probably good and it's probably correct, but you've got to read it because once you use it, it's your responsibility then. So it's your turn. So please, if you've not done it already, go and have a play around with Gemini doing the basic things. Get used to that before progressing through the videos, and we'll show you more advanced techniques and things you can do.